JP here. We are always trying to do new things with our cameras on our high altitude balloon platforms. One of the things we do is to put the camera on a servo. This lets us get multiple views with one camera. It's also great for getting those sweeping views of our platform at the edge of space. This video is highlights of one of those servo camera flights. It covers the launch, flight to the edge of space, and then all the way to touchdown back on Earth on the Away 119 balloon flight. I put in a couple of clips from the ground launch cameras just so you could see what's going on. And be sure to click the subscribe button. That really keeps us flying. Right near balloon burst, look closely at the parachute basket for the blue parachute. You can see it deploying just after the balloon pops. Okay, on to the video.
Oh no. Go!
Ouch! Actually, the camera makes the landing look a lot harder than it really is. Well, till next time, thank you for watching.